I'm going to show you how to apply for the Mexican e-visa. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mills and I'm back with another video. In 2022, Brazilians needed a visa to travel to Mexico by air, land, and sea. But as from the 5th of February 2026, Brazilians who want to travel by air for short term can apply for the Mexican e-visa, which can be done online. You can obtain a free 30 days single entry electronic visa. Let's look at the key details. Eligibility. Who is it eligible for? It is eligible for Brazilians who want to travel by air and have a valid electronic passport. What is the purpose of this visa? It's for short-term trips like tourism, business, transit, and any activity that is not being paid for. Validity. The validity of this visa is a one-time single entry e-visa which is valid for 30 days, and once it is used you'll be given a maximum of 160 days inside of Mexico. Let's talk about the application process. Step 1, you need to visit the website and you apply. Here is a website. So you need to open the website and fill the form. Step number 2, you need to upload the required documents, and these documents includes your passport, travel itinerary, and flight tickets. Step number 3, you're going to receive an e-visa through your email within 30 minutes. Step number 4, you're going to print out the electronic authorization and you present it to your airline and immigration. You need to know that if you're traveling through land and sea, you need to apply for a normal consular visa. If you already have an existing consular visa, it's still valid until the time of expiration. If you have any more questions, leave in the comment section. Please share, like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell so that you get updated every time I upload a new video. In that same light, ciao!